Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into an interesting and often sought-after topic: how to make any girl chase you. While it's important to remember that relationships and attraction are complex and individual, we'll be sharing some general tips and strategies that can help you increase your desirability and attract the attention of the person you're interested in. So, let's get started. Number 1. Build self-confidence. Confidence is key when it comes to attracting others. Believe in yourself and your abilities, take care of your appearance, and maintain good posture. Developing a positive mindset will not only make you more attractive but will also enhance your overall well-being. Number 2. Work on personal development. Invest time in improving yourself both physically and mentally. Engage in hobbies and activities that interest you, pursue your goals, and develop a strong sense of self. Becoming a well-rounded individual will make you more intriguing and attractive to others. Number 3. Develop good communication skills. Effective communication is crucial in any relationship. Be an active listener, show genuine interest in the other person, and engage in meaningful conversations. Learn to express yourself clearly, with respect and empathy, to build a deep connection with the girl you're interested in. Number 4. Be genuine and authentic. Avoid trying to be someone you're not just to impress someone else. Authenticity is attractive, and being true to yourself will make you stand out. Embrace your unique qualities and let your personality shine through. Remember, honesty and sincerity go a long way in building trust. Number 5. Show interest, not desperation. While it's important to demonstrate your interest in someone, avoid coming across as desperate or needy. Maintain a balance between showing your affection and giving the other person space. Allow the relationship to develop naturally, and let her know that you have a life outside of pursuing her. Number 6. Be fun and positive. A sense of humor and a positive attitude can be incredibly attractive. Lighten the mood, crack jokes, and engage in playful banter. Create enjoyable experiences and be the person she wants to be around. Number 7. Cultivate a healthy lifestyle. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being is essential. Exercise regularly, eat a balanced diet, and maintain good hygiene. Develop healthy habits that make you feel good about yourself, as self-care is attractive and shows that you value yourself. Number 8. Practice active listening. When spending time with the girl you're interested in, make a conscious effort to listen actively. Show genuine curiosity about her thoughts, opinions, and experiences. This will make her feel valued and understood, deepening the connection between you. Number 9. Respect boundaries and consent. Respecting the girl's boundaries and obtaining consent in all aspects of your interactions is crucial. Ensure that you're aware of her comfort levels and always prioritize her consent and well-being. Remember, building attraction and developing meaningful connections takes time and effort. By focusing on self-improvement, developing good communication skills, and being authentic and respectful, you can increase your chances of attracting the girl you're interested in. However, it's important to respect her autonomy and understand that each person is unique in their preferences and desires. Good luck, and may your journey be filled with positive and fulfilling connections. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more relationship advice.